Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's story is day 15. I have to keep this straight all the time. So I've done a little bit of the legwork already. I took this piece of paper from the Ali Edwards main kit and cut out the word bake. And I did love it on its own, but, and I'll see if I can show you. But like on its own, I felt like because it was so busy. And the thing is though, I had the other option for the green paper, or this one was I still have left, but I didn't like that, or these. And I just thought that because this one had white as well, you weren't going to see it with my photo. This one was the runner up, and then the red was going to blend in too much with the red in her shirt, and I just didn't like the green, so I cut it out of the black and white paper with the text. But alone on here with the busy background was hard to see. So then I did the offcut of it, offset, and so I matted it on red cardstock from Printworks. So it's just red basic cardstock. And so with the red outline, I feel like it stands out a little bit more, but don't get me wrong, I still think it's a little bit busy. So, I mean, the only other thing I can do is possibly flip it. Would that be better? Well, let's see. Kind of, because that has the lower B. So in essence, I'm telling the story of baking cookies with my daughter. Or it can be, I can recut it just in white. I just thought because the way, okay, so let's also show you the picture. So remember, I'm working on the back of my holiday photo. So I did this collage with us baking. I did 2 of the photos in black and white and the rest in color with a white border. I've cut a piece of acetate already into the size so that way this would display over it and I would open it like that, is what I was thinking. Again, just trying to keep my layouts to be one-sided and not a double page spread. And then I liked a few of these word strips. I would put them on the page protector back there. So really, I was just trying to, like, in essence, now I almost regret cutting it with this. I do like this, but again, it's just because of the busy background that they don't show up very well, you know, because if it was just white, it would be just fine. Gosh, I'm really torn right now. or let me see, or in order to maybe tone down the background, I could put it on vellum instead of acetate. Let's see what that looks like, because I just don't want to recut it because I really already used this pretty paper. I don't want it to be lost and not utilized. So, like, that works a little bit better because it softens out the background. I wonder, does it look better too with the red outline? Doo. Okay, that looks like a little bit more doable as well. I'm still torn because that softens it and I can use it as such. And then just have it be, like I said, I want it to just be like a window or this way, probably just a window. Okay, that completes this layout real quick. So the number is using the puffy stickers, and I took off the backing chipboard there and just adhered it with double-sided tape on this side. That way when you open it up, one of the word strips right there, and then some brief journaling with a Sharpie marker on that side on how impressed I've been with my Vale sticking with the whole process and making about like 5 sheets of gingerbread cookies. It was fun. I'm definitely proud of her. It was cute. All right, till next time. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or actually this is probably a continuation of the other video. So we're gonna do story 16, which is all about our holiday crafts. I always do a bunch of them with my daughter, and I'm going to use the little 2x2 page protector in addition to one of these crafts right here. So this one we made together. So this is Miguel's hand with paint, mine, and then Valentina's. And I love I think this is my last heart. Oh no, I have one more, the one that says Christmas, which I'll probably save for Christmas. But this green one that says this is like perfect for it. So this will just be hole punched in here. And don't get me wrong. Well, no, I'm fine with it because I was like, don't get me wrong. Maybe I want to frame this because it came out so cute. But I think if I make another one to frame, I'll do it in like our home colors, which are like blues and gray. So maybe I'll have his like be navy. Mine would be like light gray and hers maybe like a light blue or something like that if I want to make another one for framing. But this one was definitely made for Christmas, clearly. Being the red, green, red, and gold. So I'm going to just put this here, honestly. And I thought I was going to do like my journaling on this, but I feel like this alone makes a statement. So I'm going to use the 2x2 to kind of house the journaling and some more pictures. So for instance, we painted this little ceramic tree that's also a light, and this little, like, if you can see it, it's a little Santa ornament in the picture. And don't get me wrong, they're still drying on my desk. I mean, they're dry, but this is what they looked like. So she did this one, and then this one's here. This is what the Santa Claus turned out to be. And we've done like a pom-pom reindeer, and there is these little other one, and I have like a few more. So this is also going to be a pending project. And what I mean by that is I'm going to fill these in here. I feel like I'm just going to chop off the last row and fill in this row with these numbers and some of these little filler, you know, items, and then save the backside when I get the rest of the pictures taken. Because there are a few other ones that now that I'm thinking about it that are around the house. But I just love when she's in my room and actually painting, you know, and this and that. So I just feel like since it's only the 16th day in my book, that I clearly will have more projects, and I want to have little pieces of them in here. So that is the plan. So really, I can just honestly probably just take you along to do this because, like I said, I'm probably going to keep the back side free from any of the photos, just so that I can leave room for some to come. So I definitely want to use this little house. Let's put these in here. And, you know, also just like as you do these projects, you can leave yourself room like what I'm doing and, you know, have space. Because I also did it on my elf page. If you remember story number 9, I left like the insides of the flip out portion so that I can go back and add like photos, because the elf will be moving throughout the month. And I want to have some of those pictures. So for me, in this instance, I have more crafty projects that I want to do with my daughter. And even though I'm telling the story of our holiday crafts, I don't want to like lose the memory of any other ones that are sitting around the house. Like I said, I know that there's a reindeer downstairs that we made from pom-poms. So I need to take a quick photo of that one. And I know I have a few more lined up to do with her. So like I'm liking that. Yeah. And then let's just get the holes punched for this. And this is the page you should have just seen with the baking cookies. So I'm just getting it for the guideline of the holes. And that will finish this up. So hopefully this video was definitely just 15 and 16 that you're sitting, that I'm showing. And this was a quick video to show you how to put some quicker layouts together, and how even for this one that I'm working on, that you can come back to it and add a few more pictures when you know things are pending in your house when it comes to a story. So I'll have it just like that in here. And like I said, I'm probably going to cut off this portion. I'm not going to just yet, just in case come December 25th, we have much more to complete. But I love the ones that we've done so far after school. They're always a good kind of like little project to do, like right before dinner for us, while she's like here, and then I can like cook. And that makes all the sense to me. So that is story 16. And don't get me wrong, I had like these here too as filler. I am very proud of myself. I will say that I have been using up quite a lot of the product lately. So I even have these little vellum pieces. And I'm happy about that, because I always want to kill a kit, you know? That's always good stuff. So until next time, we'll be doing on my next video stories, hopefully 17 and 18, maybe more. I hope you've been enjoying my process videos, and until next time, everyone, ta-ta.